everyone. I, Kundan Chandrakar, welcome you all to the SWAM online course lecture on importance of safety management. Now coming to today's lecture, in this video, we are going to learn about the safety management system. What is the safety management system? A safety management system that will be called SME is the systematic and proactive approach that organization use to manage safety related risk, ensure compliances with safety regulation, and promote a strong safety culture. The primary goal of a SMS is the identify potential hazards, assessment associated risk, implement control, and continuously monitoring and improve safety performance across all aspects of an organization operation. SMS is widely implemented in various industries, including aviation, healthcare, manufacturing, construction, transportation, and more. Let us discuss the topics are. The first one is a summary. Second one is the importance of safety management. Third topic is a employer duty. The fourth topic is a employee's duty. And the fifth topic is in practice, that will be safety management system includes and selection of safety management system, the main safety management system, implementation is safety management system, and auditing and monitoring. And the last one is a training part. Let us discuss the summary part. A formal safety management system SMS is comprehensive safety framework usually linked to a recognized set of standards. There is no legal requirement for employer to have the formal SMS in place. However, many employers adopt an SMS as the best way of demonstrating their commitment to safety and their compliance with the health and safety at work. The management of health and safety at work regulation require employer to monitor and review the prevention and protective measurement they have placed in a control risk to health and safety. Monitoring is often supported through auditing health and safety performance, sometimes as a part of SMS. This topic looks at how to select and implement an appropriate SMS. It also covers effective auditing. Let us discuss the importance of safety management system. Safety management system is a paramount importance across various domains and industry to ensure well-being and protective of individual, the environment and assets. It involves the systematic identification, assessment, control and mitigation of risks and hazards within the organization or a particular context. Here are some key reasons why safety management system is crucial. The first one is a human well-being. The most significant aspect of the safety management system is safeguarding human lives, whether it is a workplace, public space, even at home. A robust safety management system helps to prevent accident, injury, and fatalities. This fosters a culture of care and responsibility for the peoples involved. Let us discuss legal and regulatory compliances. Many industries are subject to strict regulation and legal requirement related to safety. Failing to meet this requirement can lead to legal consequences, fine, and reputational damage. A solid safety management system ensures compliance with these regulations, help organization avoid legal troubles. Let us discuss risk reduction. Safety management system is fundamentally about identifying and mitigation risk. By proactively identification potential hazards and taking steps to eliminate or minimize them, organizations can prevent accident and incident that could result in injuries, property damage, or financial losses. Let us discuss employees' morale and productivity. When employees feel safe in their work environment, their morale improves. A safe workplace fosters trust in the organization leading to higher job satisfaction and increased productivity. Employees are more likely to focus on their task when they are not occupied with the safety concern. Let us discuss reputation and brand image. Organizations known for prioritize safety are more likely to attract and retain customers and partners. A strong safety record enhances a company reputation and brand image, demonstrating commitments to both employees and the public. The next point is a cost saving. While implementing safety measurement may initially incur cost, while implementing safety measurement may initially incur cost, they often result in a long-term savings, preventing accident reduce medical expenses, compensation claim, property damage cost, and potential legal fees. It also minimizes disrupted to operation. Our next point is a continual improvement. Safety management involves ongoing assessment and improvements, regular reviewing safety protocol, incident, and near misses. It will be help organization refine their processes, identifying emergency risk, and adapt to change their environment. Let us discuss the next point is a emergency preparedness. Safety management prepare for emergency and crisis, having well-defined procedure and training in place can mean the difference between a well-handled crisis. This preparation is essential for minimizing the impact of unexpected events. Let us discuss our next point, environmental protection. Safety management is not limited to human safety. It is also address the protection of the environment. Industry that handle hazardous material or engage in activities with potential environmental impact must have measures in place to prevent accident and pollution. Let us discuss the another point is sustainable operations. By integrating safety into their operation, organizations contribute to sustainability, reducing accident and negative environmental impact. They can lead more sustainable practices in the long terms. In summary, safety management is essential for safeguarding lives, ensuring compliances with regulation, minimizing risk, enhancing employees' morale and productivity, maintaining a positive reputation, and promoting overall organization well-being. It is strategic investment that benefit everyone involved. Let us see this diagram. This diagram is a safety management system. This management system is depending on safety risk management, safety policy and objective, safety assurance, and safety promotion. Let us discuss our next point is the employer duties. Employer must ensure so far as a reasonable, practicable the health and safety and welfare at the work of all employees. Have a written statement of their health and safety policy which outline their organization and arrangement for health and safety should the employee 5 and more person. Make and implement safety arrangement as appropriate taking into account the nature of activities and the size of undertaking. Plan, organize, control, monitor and review measurement put into place to control health and safety at risk. Let us discuss the employee's duty. Employees are required to take reasonable care of their own health and safety and that of people who may be affected by the activities at work. Cooperate with their employer to enable the employer to comply with health and safety duty. Cooperate with the arrangement of a safety management system. Let us discuss the another point in practice. Safety management system is implementation a SMS in practice involve the structured and systematic approach to managing safety risk, forecasting a safety culture, and ensure compliances with safety regulation. Here are the general outline of how to SMS input into action. The first one is a leadership commitment and policy development. Top management demonstrate commitment to safety by developing a clear safety policy that outline the organization's safety goals and objectives. The policy emphasizes the importance of safety at all levels of the organization. Let us discuss the another main point is a risk assessment and hazard identification. Identification potential hazard and risk within the organization operation. Conduct risk assessment to evaluate the severity, likelihood, and potential consequences of each hazards. Prioritize risk based on their significant and potential impact. Let us discuss the another point is a safety objective and targets. Establishment specific safety objective and target that sign with the organization safety policy and risk assessment findings. This objective provide a clear direction for improving safety performance. Let us discuss another point is a safety assurance and control measures. Develop and implement procedure, protocol and control measurement to mitigate identification risk. Regularly reviewing and update this measurement based on changing condition and lessons learning from incidents. Let us discuss the another point is a communication and training. Providing training awareness program to educate employees about safety. Also, procedure, protocol and their importance of reported safety concern. Foster open communication channel for reporting near misses, incident and hazards. And the another point is incident reporting and investigation. Establishment a robust incident reporting system for employees to report accident, near misses and hazards. Investigate incident thoroughly to identify root causes and contribution factors. Use investigation findings to implement corrective and preventing actions. Let us discuss the another point is a performance monitor and measurement. Define key performance indicator that is called KPIs to track safety performance and progress towards safety objective. Regularly monitoring and analyze safety data to identify trends, area of improvement and potential risk. Let us discuss Selection a safety management system. Selection a safety management system that will be called SMS is a critical decision that should sign with your organization needs, industry's requirement and safety goals. Here are the step-by-step guide to help you choose the right SMS in your organization. Let us discuss the main points. Assess your needs. Identify the specific safety challenges, risk and requirement unique to your organization and industry. Determine the scope of SMS, including the size of your organization and the complexity of your operation and the number of employees involved. Let us discuss the another point, research available options. Conduct research to identify SMS provider or software solution that are well regarded in your industry. Look for systems that offer features and functionality related to the organization safety management's needs. Let us discuss the another point is evaluate features and functionality. Consider the key features you require such as incident reporting and tracking, risk assessment tool, safety performance metrics and training management and compliances tracking. Ensure that the SMS supports your industry specific requirement and regulations. Let us discuss the another point, user friendly interface. Choose an SMS with an intuitive and user friendly interface to facilitate adoption by all employees. Ease of use is essential for ensuring that employees' activity engage with the system. Another point is a customizability. Access whether the SMS can be customized to match your organization specific processes, procedure and terminology. A flexible system can adapt to your unique needs. Let us discuss the another point is a scalability. Consider whether the SMS can grow with your organization. It should increase data, user and complexity as your organization expands. Let us discuss another point is integrating capabilities. Determine if the SMS can integrate with other software system you already use such as HR system, asset management system or communication tools. Integrating can streamline data sharing and improve efficiency. Let us see this diagram, core elements of the safety management system. This diagram is donated each and every point like participation, hazards control, improvement, leadership, hazards identification, education and communication. This overall diagram is based on ISO standard and OSHA guidelines. Let us discuss the main safety management systems. Safety management system SMS are comprehensive framework that organization used in a systematic manage safety risk, enhance safety culture and ensure compliance with the safety regulation. Different industry contexts by the various components, but the core elements of the most safety management system includes. The first one is a policy and objective. Establishing a clear safety policy that outlines the organization commitment to safety and the set overreaching safety objectives. This policies provides the foundation of entire SMS. Let us discuss another point is risk management. Identifying, assessing and prioritize potential risks and hazards. This involve conduct risk assessment, analyzing historical data and using various tools to determine likelihood and consequences of different scenarios. Let us discuss the another point is a safety assurance. Developing and implementing processes to ensure that safety measures and procedures are effective and continuously improved. This involves monitoring safety performance, conducting audit and reviewing safety related data to access and effective of the SMS. Let us discuss the another point is safety promotions. Fostering a strong safety culture within the organization. This includes providing training, communication and education on the safety practices, as well as encourage employees to report safety concern and near misses. And let us discuss the another point is a reporting and investigation. Establishment mechanism for reporting incident, accident, near misses and hazards when incident occur through investigating or conduct to determine their causes and identifying preventing measures. Let us discuss the another point is emergency preparedness and response. Developing plan and procedure to respond effective to emergencies. This includes training employees in emergency procedure, conducting drill and maintain communication protocols. Let us discuss the another point is a compliances management. Ensuring that the organization to the relevant safety regulation and standard. This involves staying up to date with legal requirements, implementing necessary changes and conducting internal assessment for compliances. Let us discuss another point is a document control. Maintaining accurate record and documentation related to safety management activities. This can include policies, procedure, incident reporting, audit finding, can be correction action plan. Let us discuss another point is a performance measurement and monitoring. Establishing key performance indicator that is KPI is measured to effectiveness of the SMS. Regularly monitoring these KPIs help identify trend and their area for improvements. Let us discuss another point is a continuously improvement. Encourage a culture of a continuously improvement by analyzing data and making adjustment to the SMS as need as enhance safety performance. Another point is a management of changes. Implementing processes to access the manage the impact of organization changes, example, new equipment, procedure and personnel on safety. Another point is a training and competency management. Providing training to employees to ensure that they are a necessary skill and knowledge to perform the task safely. This includes accessing various and competently of the personnel in safety critical roles. Another point is stakeholder engagement. Engaging with the relative stakeholders include employees, contractor, regulator and the local committee to foster a shared commitment to safety. We know different industries such as aviation, health care, construction and manufacturing have a sector specific safety management system to their unique challenges and requirements. Regardless of the industry, a well-implemented safety management system contributes a safer organization, reduce risk, improvement overall organization performance. Let us discuss implementing safety management system. Implementing a safety management system required careful planning, dedication, and involvement from all levels of organization. Here are the step-by-step guided to help effective implementation of SMS. The first one is the commitment from top management. Gain support and commitment from the senior leadership to ensure the SMS received the necessary resources and attention. The next point is understand your organization need. Conduct a thorough assessment of the organization, safety risk, processes, current safety practice to identify area and improvements. The another point is define objective and scopes. Clearly define the objective of the SMS and the scope of the implementation. Determine what you are aim and achieve with the system. The next point is a selection a team. From a cross-functionality team and representative from various departments to ensure comprehensive coverage and diverse perspectives. Another point is develop policies and procedures. Create a comprehensive safety policies that outline your organization commitment to safety. Develop procedure and protocol for various safety procedures such as incident reporting, risk assessment, emergency response, and compliance monitoring. Let us discuss the another point is allocated resources. Allocated the necessary resources including budgets, personnel, and time to support implementation and maintenance of the SMS. Another point is training and awareness. Train employees at all levels on the SMS, its objectives, and their role in maintaining safety. Raise awareness about the importance of safety and SMS throughout the organization. Next point is risk assessment and hazard identification. Identification potential hazard and assessment associated risk with your organization operation. Prioritize risk based on severity and potential impact. Another point is a safety objective and targets. Set clear safety objective and targets that align with the organization safety policies and risk assessment findings. And the last point is a procedure and control. Develop and implement procedure and control that mitigate identification risk. Ensure that employees understand and follow these procedures. Let us see the diagram of safety management system. This diagram is donated some measure point. The first point is a component and the second point is an element. The first point is a safety policy and objective. Second point is a safety risk management. Third point is a safety assurance and fourth point is a safety promotion. This is the diagram of safety documents. Let us discuss the importance of our training. Training plays a pivotal role for the effective implementation and continuously improvement of a safety management system. Here are the key why the reason of training is essential with an SMS. The first point is awareness and understanding. Training ensures that all employees are aware of the SMS, its objectives, and their role in maintaining safety, understanding, and importance of safety and their responsibilities. Second main point is compliances and procedures. Throughout this training, employees learn the correct procedure and protocol outlined in their SMS. This reduces the likelihoods of error, misunderstanding, and deviation of establishment safety procedures. And the last point is a risk reduction. Well-trained employees are more adept at the identification potential hazards and risk in their work environment. They understand how to assess risk and take preventive measure and respond quickly. With this, we will end our today's lecture here. Thank you for your patience and we will meet in our next lecture. Thank you.